Hey everybody, I'm Taylor Perry with Van Dyke Mortgage. We have with us Matt Collins with the Matt C team, and we're going to talk about when we make an offer on a house, the first step is to give them a low ball, right? Like they're asking 200, we come in at 150,
Yeah.
right?
There is a time and place for everything, but this isn't the market for that, right?
Okay.
So even though new inventory is coming on the market almost on a daily basis, interest rates are rising, right? So it is lessening some of the competition that's out there.
Yeah.
It's still important that we're submitting competitive offers, right? So step number one, when we're meeting with clients and they ask, what should we offer? The first step an agent should do is a CMA, or competitive market analysis. So we know what the seller's asking for the house, but is that really what the house is worth?
How long does it take to do a CMA?
It usually takes about 30 minutes.
Oh, okay, so it's easy.
It's not too difficult at all.
Okay.
Now, we absolutely do not go off the Zestimate or whatever realtor calls their online valuation.
Yeah.
There's more to that. But
Yeah.
once I've seen the house with my clients, we kind of know the condition. We know what kind of state the house is in.
Sure.
That all plays a factor in it too. But we really do want to find out what the market analysis is. And then from there, we'll know exactly what is a competitive offer that we should submit. So don't hesitate. Ask your agent when it comes time, what should my offer be? Ask them. That's what we're there for, is to
Yeah.
provide guidance.
Yeah.
Now, ultimately, the client has the bottom line, right? So if the client is dead set on this is what my offer should be, then it's our fiduciary duty to go ahead and make sure we're doing that. But definitely ask your agent. He'll help educate you on what the fair market value is. I hope that helps. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the channel. Until next time.